5 things if I can go back and tell my younger self. Number 1, spend more time creating yourself. See, in our 20s, everyone tells you to find yourself, find yourself, find yourself. But in the process, such as myself, wasn't creating myself. Look at yourself for who you are and start understanding while you're young is it time to create the life that you want to live in your later days. Number 2, don't rush into a relationship. Always have reserve and get to know people. It's not about dating or jumping into the first relationship when you meet somebody. Figure out this. Date someone who accommodates your future self and not your today self. Because a lot of young people jump into relationships with people who complement who they are today, not realizing that it's more about tomorrow. Number 3, you're young. You're not supposed to be rich today. Most people don't hit their financial peaks and strides into their late 30s or early 40s. That's normal. Some people are exceptions to the rule, but in most cases, young people don't reach their financial strides until they get older. Number 5, because you're not fully where you want to be today, doesn't mean you're a failure. It means you got to figure it out and understand, start focusing more on yourself. Stop watching what everyone else is around you doing. Focus on yourself, because at the end of the day, the only person you're going to have is yourself. And the only person you can blame is yourself. Don't let that go over your head.